Is this RLAARLO X12S for you? It is really cool looking. Look, yes, they stole the Williams F1 livery for this thing. I don't know how they did it without getting sued, but let's take it, bash it, see how good it is, and then we'll come back and talk about a review and features we liked and didn't like. Okay, so before I go try to break it, let's take a look at it while it's brand new. It is a beautiful RC. Number one, it has way more ground clearance than my Grom that I tested, which gives me a lot of hope that it's going to be a little more effective. Look at the suspension. Look at how nice those shock absorbers are. Now, they're lacking a little bit of rebound dampening, but I don't think when it's motoring that cares, but one would think that they would have a little more rebound to it. But anyway, you'll see there's lots of metal touches, anodized aluminum as part of the chassis, metal drivetrain. There's an adjustable upper link as well as an adjustable steering link. The tires look kind of teeny and girly, to be honest, but it is a buggy and they always do have that kind of teeny girly style to them. Nice aluminum framework here. Let's open it up. Not sure how they stole the Williams F1 livery and didn't get sued yet for this, but it looks great. This looks like a Williams F1 car. So the packaging under here is super tight but so well done. Obviously you got your servo XT90 wired connection, but look, it's connected. It's like firm, so all you do is put your battery in, plug it in. I think that's really nice. You get your speed control, radio, brushless motor. One complaint that I do have is this. This is how it came. I opened the box. You can see it's perfectly clean. Obviously, that's going to require a little work. Comes with the 2200 3S battery, which has a really nice holder for that standard size 3S battery. You can see there's a big anodized aluminum support structure that goes from the rear of the car all the way to the front for extra rigidity. Oh, and front and rear adjustable anti-sway bars. How cool is that? Rear shocks, a big old cool looking wing, which I hear is a little subject to destruction. We'll see how that goes. And this radio, which is a cool radio, comfortable in hand. I still don't like this function in the sense that I'm going to go over here and every time I go put this down, it's going to fall over in the sand, and that can't be good long term. All right, and then the last thing I want to show you, oh, they always have these really nice, cool etched. Now, for those of you who aren't real race car people, who are just, you know, passive race car people, let me show you what they've done here. They've etched in, because, right, we've stolen the F1 livery, so they've tried to show what the bottom of the car would look like, you know, with the suspension, exhaust traveling out the sides, try to make it look more realistic, but it is a really nice, cool piece of etched and anodized aluminum. So I think we need to go try to break this thing. What do you say? Let's go do it. So if you've watched my channel for a little while, you know that I hated my little Grom that I got. Really did not like that. Ran okay, but there were a lot of technical things that I didn't like about it. And I was really planning on not liking this equally, because it looks to me like kind of the same thing. But oh boy, is it not. This is so much better than that little Grom. This thing is freaking cool. It is so freaking fun. It goes over everything, which was my big problem with the Grom. The ground clearance was terrible. This thing just bounds over everything. Actually, in like kind of the unboxing intro, you're gonna hear me say that I wasn't too enthused about these tires. I wasn't expecting a lot of them, and they were perfect. They were great. It went over everything, drove through everything, didn't get stuck at all, and it had this perfect balance, which is so hard to find, where it was really good both on the road and in the dirt. That is so hard to find. Like cool things like on its speed run, which as you can see, pulled down a respectable 27 miles an hour on the speed run. I could be going full tilt speed run, get off the gas and hit the brakes, and it would just hunker itself down and stop. 99% of the RCs that I drive, you going 27, 30, 40, 50 miles an hour, you get off the gas and it starts rolling down the road like they always like flip and start rolling. This thing just stopped. It was so cool. You saw it bounded through the air. To be totally honest with you, I drilled a piece of rebar with this and it didn't break a sweat. It like crushed one little nut head here, but I hit rebar with it. What do you want from it? It hit rebar 30 miles an hour. So yeah, if you are looking for a great buggy, this is absolutely an answer. If you're looking to get a gift for somebody for their first RC, this is a ridiculously cool answer. I've had mixed experiences with RLAARLO. I love my Omni Terminator, maybe more than anything. That could still be my favorite RC. And then I really hated that little red thing that I got, that little red pickup truck. I did not like that thing at all. And this is again on my full love list. I am keeping this for myself personally. This thing is freaking cool, so fun. There's a link either right here or down below. If you use that link, it lets me get some more toys like this, because this wasn't sent. I bought this with my own money that I've made from you guys buying RC cars. Much to my wife's displeasure, I keep taking that money and buying more RC cars. But anyway, this thing's freaking cool. So please use that link if you can. Remember to like, subscribe. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I'd like to hear them. If you're a Grom fanboy, I don't care. Don't want to hear this is much better. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.